Okay, welcome back to my another tutorial. So today I'm going to show how to create the animation for the particular pipe clamp assembly. So as you can see, I previously create this pipe clamp. So in the end of the video, you were able to create the animation such like this I created before. So if I play in reverse here, so there is a pipe with the opacity and then the clamping movement on the this particular video show as directed like this. Okay, now let's get started into the presentation animation. So in order to do that, so first we would like to create a new file, which is the I'm using the template for the standard ATM. Create here. Okay. So basically after that, the inventor will ask you to the which assembly file that you're going to create from. So I just click this button for my particular assembly pipeline. So right now, currently, unfortunately, my pipeline is on the top view is from the front of the area here. So in order to do the front view as a top view, I just click on the top view here and then right click and then I will set my current view as a top view. So after that we can use this particular isometric view here to view the representation of from the isometric view. Okay, for the standard and better visualization. Okay, right now currently we have the storyboard here. So storyboard is basically like the editing from the action from the three component like this, and also we can use the three component here to tweak movement, which is the movement of the linear and also the rotation. For example, if I want to create this pipe going insert into the clamping here, so I just click component and then I click the particular pipe and I click the move because I want to move linearly. So I just click and drag here into the pipe clamp here. Okay, and then the duration. So duration is mean that this particular move, the duration of the moving is 2 seconds. Okay, so I will say that this one is I accept. So I just click OK. So when you see here, there is a movement of the particular pipe. So if I rewind and then I play, so it show how they are moving inside the pipe clamp. Okay. So I will double click here and at the end of the action. So I will continue to the next step. The next step will be moving down, click the component for the moving down. So which particular component? So I can search for here because I have a screw here and then I hold the control key here and the sliders should be moved together and also the handlebar and also the ball bar will be moved together and as well as the here the circle. Okay, so I click here. So and then if I want to create the movement as a 3 second, then I need to create this particular movement going down. Okay, so the going down would be I can zoom in here. So probably I think probably 13 millimeters enough for me for this duration and then I click OK. So as you can see there is a particular altogether movement going down to the one direction. If I rewind this and then I play, then as you can see that all the component moving together. But since this one is a screw, then we need the additional movement which is the rotation of this screw. Then I will add the three component again from this particular position and then our three components. So right now I will choose the screw and the handle bar here and also this ball handle is going to create the rotation. So in this rotation I will rotate clockwise direction. So and the clockwise direction and to include the angle. The angle is basically is about if the linear movement is 13 or 20 or 12 for example, and then the pitch will be 2, and then so I think we need about 12 divided by 2 is 6. I think will be the 6 rotation multiplied by 360. So it means that they are rotating at 6 rotation. Okay, with the same direction, same duration is 3 seconds. Then I click OK. As you can see here, there are a movement here. But since this movement is should be joined together, so I will double click this one, the grouping, okay, and then this one I break it into the same timeline or same timing for the movement all together, okay. Then when I uh, rewind and then see what's the movement like looks like, then I will play, go inside, and then they will move accordingly like that, okay. So basically simple as that. And if you want to create the movement which is going up again, then but I want to make it slightly 1 second as a real time, then I will move my slider into the 6 second here, okay, 6 seconds, and then I again click component. I go to the slider, go to the screw, go to the bar, and also the click here, and then I again move going upward until the maybe 12 millimeter for 3 seconds. Okay, I click OK here. And then once again, I will repeat the key component here with just the screw and handlebar and roll bar as well. But this time I will rotate over there. I'm again using 6 multiplied by 360 for the calculation. Okay, here you just slide back over there, all those components. Okay, slide back over there. So when we rewind the movement and then we replay the movement here, replay, going inside there, and then moving down, and then moving up again. Okay, like that. So at the end of this time, so I need to eliminate all the pipe here. So I can do it just doing the opacity. So we adjust the opacity for this pipe. Click the pipe and then click the opacity. So the inventor will ask you whether this file will be uh, associated with the assembly or not. So in this time, I will click the associativity. So I just click break. And then this one, I will change the opacity maybe to 0%. So they will disappear. Okay. So as we can see here, there is an icon slide here. And then when you double click it, the pipe will be have the opacity from 100% into the transparent 0%. So in this case, I will put it the 100% in transparent with maybe about 3 seconds as well. So as you can see, when I play here, they will become transparent in the 3 seconds. After that, they see it. Okay. Okay, so basically like that. Then right now I will add an additional tweaking component. Since this one I will make this exploded view. So since the accuracy of the component, so I will start with this one with this handlebar. Okay, so this is the ball bar. I will click the component of the ball bar. Okay, so I will use maybe 3 seconds to long, then I will use 2 seconds. Here I will click over there, and also I will click OK, and then I will click again. I will click again for the particular name of this component, and then I will click over there. Okay, and then duration 2 seconds. Okay, then our dismantle all this component, which is, if you can see here, there is a seal clip over there. Okay, you can see here. So the seal clip will be moving at the same with the board over there. So if I want to make it moving is the same with this one, then I can right click this one and then if you click, then I can add additional component here with the control key over there. So as you can see, they will jump ready over there. So if we play the animation here, play, and then they will move together with this handlebar. Okay. Okay. So right now I also want to put the uh, I think I will put this one first. Okay. 2 seconds. So okay, I will dismantle like that, and then I will add the additional with the control key, this one and this one. Okay, and then I will add additional movement. Okay, like that. I will just again put the control key again here, and then I will drag up again for this particular okay. So as you can see, when I click OK, they will have a lot of sequence of here. Then if I rewind, and then as you can see, the movement will be as a sequence here. Okay, like that, and then going up, and then after that we continue with the nuts and also the upper pillar. Okay, as well as if we want to continue with this particular assembly, for example, I will remove this pin over there. So I have two pins here and this one. Okay, I will move to there. Okay, like that. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, the, the here, this one. Okay, okay, over there, and then this one moving to the left side. Okay, but as you can see, this one, pillar one and pillar two, I want to make it moving together. So I just drag the position over there. Okay, okay. You can rewind from the very beginning and then see what's going on with it. Playing, going inside the pipe, and then they will screw down, and then they will screw up, and then the transparency go off, and then going dismantle all the components one by one sequentially, okay, like that, and also the pillar. Okay, this is quite easy for this particular position. Right now, I'm going to add the camera. So this one, there is a capture camera. So basically, the camera capture would be, so for example, if I want to put in 1 second, there is a camera, I think the zoom here. I just capture the camera. So when I play, they will go inside with the camera, and then over there I will have the going down over here so we can see all the capture the position over there. So I just put it here, moving over there for the camera. As you can see, they are going to screw and unscrew, and then I will make it the position. Maybe I will use this particular position to see all the cameras. I just capture that. Okay, okay. Then basically the camera is like you making a snapshot. Okay, that. Okay. So in this particular position, I need to zoom out a little bit. to see all the movement of this particular pipe clamp is at the same height, okay, like this. So you can see all the movement going up over there. Okay, so when this pin going out, so I need to rotate my camera from this side. Okay, rotate from this side over here. Then I capture again the camera. So as you can see, when they are going to pull out the pin, they already position uh, like so. Okay, this. Okay, yeah. I think the position is enough. Then I will try to create one more. Let me see that one. Okay, going up. Okay, the position. Then the camera movement going up. Then camera movement. And also like this. Yeah. Okay. So once you satisfy with the recording this one, then you can export your recording into the publish video. So when I click the video, then you can use all the timing, the storyboard file, then the resolution you can set, and also the reverse check mark. If you want to reverse the sequential of this movement or animation, you just click the reverse position, so they will reverse the sequence. Okay, but in this case, I don't want to reverse it, or maybe I will try to reverse it then, and then this is the storyboard, and then this one is the which files that you want to save. Okay, then you can choose between the API file or Windows Media file. Okay, so in this case, I will use the Windows Media file, and then I will create the plan. Okay. So the position of the I will use the desktop is this PC. Yeah, this desktop. Okay, like folders or put it into this. Then I will play. Okay, so right now the publishing the video on progress. Then you can see they are going to create the animation, but in the reverse direction, reverse order. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, so you just wait for the result, and then there's the type. They are showing up the type. Then going to clamp this particular type. Then give 1 second to clamp out, and also the movement coming out here. See, so you can see the okay, these things. Okay, let's see the result of the video. Now, going to play this. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, in there, in there, in there, in down over there. Okay, like this, and then we got a moving down, and then moving up, and then going up. Okay, yeah, yeah. I think the video is finished for this particular tutorial right now. So I hope this give you benefit to show this tutorial. Then have a nice day. Then catch up for the another video. Thank you. Bye bye.